Hi, I'm Sujana Kaur and my student ID is 303763666. Today I'm here to talk about the lab activities that we have done on the week 4 regarding the procurement process. There was the 5 different tasks to do in the SAP Fiori Launchpad. The first task is to display the purchase orders. So in order to display the purchase orders that has been done on the system on the we also use the my purchasing document items app of the SAP. So here we can view all the transactions of the purchase orders and we can also get the status of the documents and also the related materials and the stock value and the invoices and the invoice quantity, um, order value of the of the order of the goods that has been ordered. And the next second task was to display the good receipt for the purchase orders. After the goods has been ordered and delivered into the warehouse, the goods receipt has been created and it was stored manually in the system. So we use the metal document overview app of the SAP, through which we can get all the required informations of the certain process orders, and we can also get all the general informations and the document flow and the status of the goods. And the third task was to display the invoice overview from the vendors. So the after the goods has been delivered into the warehouse, the invoice is created by the vendors for the purchasing for the warehouse. So in order to view the invoice, I choose the my purchasing document items of the apps of the SAP, through which using the supplier ID and the supplier invoice we can get the overview of the invoices that has been created by the vendors. And the fourth task was to display the payment to vendors. So after the invoice has been created, the payments will be done to the vendors. So the central account has been stored in the systems. So to overview the payment, we can use the manage general entries app of the SAP, through which we can view all the interview of the journals, and we can also see the posting dates and also the posting date for the general account, and also the related documents of the payments. And the final task was to display the supplier line items. So in order to display the vendor line items, we use the app manage suppliers line items of the SAP, through which we can select our required suppliers which we can see, and we can get all the posting informations for the particular vendors, and we can also able to jump into the other related Fury apps. During these lab activities, what I learned was the overall steps of the procurement process, how the goods has been purchased for the organizations, and the how the whole process of the purchasing of the goods has been created, such as the storing the getting the goods and storing into the inventory, and after the payment process has been processed for the for completing the purchasing process. Thank you.